Alright, we're looking at multiplying polynomials part 2. And today we're going to look at two different similar techniques to foiling, but we're not having binomials times binomials. We might have a binomial times a trinomial, or a trinomial times a trinomial. So if we have a binomial times a trinomial, we're going to use what I like to call double distribution. Double distribution. And what do I mean by this? We're going to take this binomial, 3a plus 4, and distribute both of those terms over a squared minus 12a plus 1. So we're going to do 3a, distribute that over all three terms, and 4, and distribute that over all three terms. So we could also, if we think about this, write it as 3a times a squared minus 12a plus 1 plus 4 times a squared minus 12a plus 1. We took each of the terms of this first binomial and multiplied it. We're distributing it over the entire trinomial. So we're doing 3a, which is that first term, times the entire trinomial, plus 4 times that entire trinomial. So now when we distribute 3a times a squared, we get 3a to the third. 3a times negative 12a, we get minus 36a squared, 3a plus 1 plus 3a. Then when we distribute the 4 plus 4a squared minus 48a plus 4. And now we go for combining like terms. I start and see that I have this 3a cubed. I look at my a squareds, I have minus 36a plus 4a, so that's going to be minus 32a squared. I have plus 3a minus 48a for minus 45a, and I'm left with plus 4 there at the end. So after I double distribute, or I distribute this binomial over the trinomial, I get 3a cubed minus 32a squared minus 45a plus 4. If you think about it, we did 3a times a squared, 3a times negative 12a, 3a times 1, 4 times a squared, 4 times negative 12a, 4 times 1, combined like terms, and there we go. Now, for a trinomial times a trinomial, we have what I like to call triple distribution. Triple distribution. So we're going to take each of these three terms of this first trinomial and distribute it over that third trinomial. So we're going to do distribution 3 times. So we may as well say that 2b squared, which is the first term of this first trinomial, 2b squared times the group b squared plus 3b minus 1 plus 7b, which is the second term of that trinomial, times the group b squared plus 3b minus 1 plus 9, which is the last term, times this whole trinomial b squared plus 3b minus 1. We go to distribute, actually, 2b squared times b squared, 2b to the fourth, 2b squared plus times plus 3b plus 6b cubed, 2b squared times negative 1 minus 2b squared, 7b times b squared plus 7b cubed, 7b times 3b plus 21b squared, 7b times negative 1 minus 7b, 9 times b squared plus 9b squared, 9 times 3b plus 27b, 9 times negative 1 minus 9. Alright, so we have these 9 terms that we need to do our best at combining like terms. I see that I have 2b to the fourth. I have, it looks like 6b cubed plus 7b cubed. So that's going to give me plus 13b cubed. I have minus 2b squared plus 21b squared plus 9b squared, 21 plus 9, 30, minus 28b squared. I have minus 7b plus 27b, negative 7 plus 27, plus 20b, and I have minus 9. So after my triple distribution, I'm left with 2b to the fourth plus 13b cubed minus 28b squared plus 20b minus 9. Now, as we look at our practice problems on page 1131, 25 through 32, 25, we see that we have 2y minus 11 times the group y squared minus 3y plus 2. So I'm going to set up that I have 2y times the group y squared minus 3y plus 2 minus 11 times the group y squared minus 3y plus 2. Then I distribute 2y times y squared, 2y cubed, 2y, negative 3y minus 6y squared, 2y, 2 plus 4y. Now careful, this negative comes with me, so now I have negative 11y squared plus 33y minus 22. I combine like terms, 2y cubed minus 6y squared minus 11y minus 17y squared plus 4y plus 33y plus 37y minus 22. Lots of double and triple distribution, and for 31 and 32 that's a bit of a challenge. We might have to distribute twice, and that's okay.